Hey everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. We got a Temu haul. And this is just part of a package. Y'all, this is a big package, so we're gonna go through this package and see what's in it. It's already got a hole started here, so I'm just gonna start cutting from there. I think that maybe this is big because it's got my rose bears in it for Mother's Day. But I see a lot of other things in here too. Several other things. I'm just going to cut this bag right on open. Okay. I ain't going to open all the several like items, but if they're different, I'll open them. Alright, so, first things first, I got several of these in several different colors. So we've got the navy blue, lilac it says, and this one is the red. So I'll show you what these are, and this is what I'm going to be using for my Mother's Day basket. So there are the Ched Black bags. These are really nice. I really like these. I think they'll make very, very nice baskets because they are huge. They are huge. And then they can be kept and used as grocery bags. So that was kind of my thinking behind that. So I got them in red, blue, several other colors, and I got several of them. So that was my intention behind these. So that's those two. All right, here we have gift tags. All right, and these are just gift tags that go on the bags that I thought were real cute. They're just rubber band in, but that's two of them. If you can take them, let me show you. That's one. This is one, and it opens up. You just close it up, put your little gift in there, and I will attach these. Like so, to my bags. And it's just for little thank you gifts, but I thought that these were just adorable. So these are the little gift boxes that I was talking about in one of my videos about cost. Alright, so that's these. Alright, now we got more of the bags. These are the black ones, blue ones. So the blue ones. Blue. Turn you out just a little bit. Black. Or navy blue. Navy blue. Light teal. Now, I didn't leave the fellas out, and I've got way more than this, but this package is coming in 3 shipments. So I'm going to set these to the side. Alright, I didn't leave the fellas out, so I got the wallets. And I don't know if you saw the video, but I told you they had you limited to getting only one, and I showed you the way around doing that so that you could get more than one, and I have quite a few in here, so just going to open one of them because they're all the same. I got black wallets. I don't know why I'm thinking that's what men prefer, but they're really nice wallets. All right, and these will go in my Father's Day baskets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I ordered 10 of them. I don't know if all 10 of them are here. And I'll tell you what that is here in a minute. If you know, you know. Alright. Another wallet. 2 more wallets. Another wallet. Another wallet. Alright. Now, these are some more bags for Mother's Day. Alright, now here are the socks. Alright, and these are a pretty good size sock. And these are the ones that say something on them. I can't even read what this says. Okay. And it looks like Nike, but it doesn't actually say Nike. It says something else. Something like Nate or Jake or something. Anyway, these are the socks. There's 1 pack of them. And these have got a very good price on them, so jump on those. That's that one. Same thing, another pack. 3 packs. And 4 packs of the socks. We got 5 and 6. Yeah. 7. 2 more bags. 3 more bags. Alright, so that's the socks. Set that there. Another pair of socks. Another pack of socks. Another pack of socks. So, got several of the socks up here on my desk. And then I got the towels. And these were the Joy Life Joy Natural Towels sets. It comes with 5 in each set. And I got 2 of those. Alright, and then this is another wallet. And then I got some Solo Wrap. And that's it for our Temu bag. So, like I said, this is only part of an order. I got a whole bunch more stuff coming in. But this is my Mother's Day and Father's Day items. None of this is Easter stuff. All my Easter stuff is back there on the table. Remember that table I had all the Valentine stuff on? Well, now I got all the Easter stuff on there. Alright, now for that last item. Alright, these were very inexpensive. And all it does is you set your item on it so you can turn your item so it works the way you want it to. or you turn it the way you want it to. Lazy Susan, I believe is what they call them. And that's all this is. And it just turns. Alright. So, that is this haul. And I'm going to get one of my containers to put all these items in. Simply because I'm not ready for these items just yet. However, I am glad they came. I'll set that back over there for now. Because I'm getting ready to get started on Easter items. Because I have 2 weeks to get my Easter items together. Then I plan on being out in them streets again. Alright, so I have some ordered items coming in from Sam's Club. We don't have a Sam's Club down here. The closest one is about, not far, but about 40 miles. And I don't have time to get up there today. So, when those items comes in, I will be taking some pictures and everything for you. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this Temu haul. I think the best items in this haul were these wallets. And like I said, I did a walk around in one of my videos because this had a limit of 1. You could only get 1 of these. But in my video, if you look in the description of that video, I show you how to get around that limit. When they limit you to 1 item because of the price of it, and these wallets were under $1. So when they limit you to the price of them, or limit you to 1 item because of the price of them, there's a way around that. So go to that video, watch that video, and read the description, because in my description I go step by step by step on how to get around that limited item. And they limit it because it's cheap. They mark those prices way down on these items. Let's see, this one is jet black. And everything else ain't in English. Alright. But they are very nice wallets. Very nice. And watch that video, read the description, and it will tell you step by step how to get around that limitation. Alright. I will be back when I'm back. So y'all be blessed. Be a blessing, and thank you for tuning in to this Temu haul. Have a blessed day.